us and play the dance game.
I can't do that. Hi guys, it's Sunday today and it's time for us to get laundry.
Oh, that's a nice license plate for a pickup truck. Hugs to you.
What?
The pickup truck. The
Get
license
the
plate.
laundry. Dirty clothes
Look at that
down.
license plate.
What is that?
Hugs to you.
Hugs to you.
See? You don't want to film that?
I don't want to film that.
Film it. Turn around.
How are you gonna turn around? It's totally. Oh. Babe, what did you do with that? Oh my god, what did you do with that? Abot na mi sa gugo para maglaba. Hindi kami maglalaba. Somebody is using it? Do you think so?
Yes, that guy.
I'm not gonna use that, babe.
There's other ones.
No. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Babe, have fun. The main building is very secured. Oh, look at that, babe.
What?
I like my hair. That's it.
Is that your selfie stick?
What?
Is that your selfie stick?
Yeah. I use it as like a stick. This is so high. Can you lower this please for me? Thank you. Hello. We're actually friends. I always greet Android every week. Every week. Apartment namin, meron kaming laundry machine. That's I guess 3. Yeah. Pero ayaw ni Luis doon maglaba. Well, this is free for Googlers. And this kind of way of keeping us out of the house during weekend and be able to have time to go out and play while waiting for our laundry and kumain kung anong meron. Look at guys, I want to show you something. I'm gonna go out and walk around to this building. Si Luis para i-check in yung mga damit namin for laundry. Let's have some walk. Talaga yung yung Google is actually designed, their environment is designed for something to make their people relax. And be able to think properly. Because grabe ang stressful ng trabaho nila. Hindi basta-basta. Yan. Let's go here. Hi, babe. Sorry. Baby scan. Have you checked it out? Yeah, it's in there. How many? Okay, 10.
Three machines. I
Mhm.
think I saw the guy that was using them.
Okay.
I went to the juice bar to see what they had. Nice juice smoothies, but nobody working.
There.
Adobe Beats.
It is very easy. Here. Gotta go.
Purchase your
Relaxing talaga ito. Maraming actually. Puno. Puno. At mananotice niyo yung mga chair nila is colorful like the Google color.
Adobe Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.